Key2Publish helps you to place and manage the desired product information in your webshop and other publications. Thanks to the many functions developed especially for this purpose, this is done in a fast and efficient way. Some of these are presented in this demo. The Key2Publishing functions can be divided into 3 main groups. 1. The import functions. 2. The editing and selection functions. And 3. The publishing functions. Working with Key2Publish is usually also done in 3 steps. The first step is to import data from an external data source in Key2Publish. There are several options for this. For example, we can select a webshop or a specific file from which we retrieve that data. But for this demo we'll use the simple option, where the import conditions are already set, and we just need to click a button to import the data into Key2Publish. After importing, step 2 follows. If the data has been imported into Key2Publish, it can be modified. A growing number of functions can be used for this, such as the drag and drop functionality that we are now going to demonstrate. Suppose the webshop, for which we make this data suitable, has a cleading category. If we then rename this category name in the data set to cleading, then when exported to the webshop, the program will put all categories and products from this dataset in that shop under the same category name, cleading. If the data has been adjusted as desired, the next step is taken, publishing the data, for example in a webshop. We select the products that we want to export, and go to the Webshop tab. We select the webshop to which we want to export, and start the publishing to the shop, by clicking the Export button. The products have now been placed, or updated in the webshop with the just set structure. In a similar way, product selections can be removed or deactivated. Finally, we save the constructed dataset as a K2Z file, a file format associated with Key2Publish. K2Z files are compressed files that are very suitable for use as backup files per supplier or product group. These files can also be used to perform operations and comparisons. Here we see 2 feeds from a particular supplier. In this case K2Z files. A new feed from 2021 and an old feed from 2020. Suppose we want to know which products have disappeared from the range of a supplier. And we have read in his data from last year and this year and saved it as a K2Z file. To do this, we first import the old 2020 feed, where we set the import option to new, whereby any data set that has already been read in is replaced. And we see that the dataset has been imported. We're going to take the next step by importing the new 2021 feed, setting the import option to select. Now both datasets are compared with each other. And in the dataset of the old feed, the products are checked which are also in the new feed. The products from the old feed that are checked are the products that also appear in the new feed. But the products that are not checked do not appear in the new 2021 feed. And so they have disappeared from the product range. If we remove the checked products, which are still in the product range, via the delete products and empty group function, the products removed from the product range will remain. These products are also very easy to remove or deactivate from the webshop with Key2Publish, by checking them and removing them via the Web Export tab. You have seen a small selection of the standard functions, with which Key2Publish supports you with the automated publishing of product information. However, there are many more. View the other demos and try a version for free to discover the possibilities Key2Publish offers you. Do you have specific wishes that the standard version does not provide? Or do you just have a good tip for a new functionality? Let us know and we'll see what we can do for you. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for your interest in Key2Publish. For more information, please visit our website or send us a message.